Hello YouTube. Got a small little package. Ain't much, but let's go do a little unboxing and see what we have in here. Okay, this shouldn't take long. It's a little small package. Got some other stuff coming in, but since this came early, let's rip it open and see what we have. Okay, these are going on the fenders. Says Sport. One for each fender. I'm also going to put some badges, let's say 3.3 liter, under the Sport. So I'll have a nice little thing on the fenders. Sport with the inch size. But these came in. They look like they're in pretty good shape. Black with a little red on the inside of the corners. I'm still waiting on a major part of my transmission so I can get this thing put in the shop. But I'm happy these came. More videos to come. Until then, I'll see you. And there's it mounted. Not bad. Well, I'm waiting on my big packages. So, until then, see you next video.